Welcome back. Every smartphone has its own unique features. But, when we compare, one has to be better than the other. In this video, we are going to compare Samsung Galaxy A53 with Google Pixel 6a, and look at which is better and why. Excited? Then stick till the end, and those who are watching, make sure to subscribe for more tech updates. Let's begin. In terms of lasting a long time on a charge, the Pixel 5a is probably the best of the current crop of Pixels, and even beats Pixel 6a. Google Pixel 6a managed 9 hours and 48 minutes in the battery life test, and the Galaxy A53 lasted 10 hours and 38 minutes. Rumors and leaks currently suggest that the Pixel 6a could get the same G's 101 tensor chip that powers the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. The A53 is far from a good gaming device, with its 120Hz display, ultimately going to waste in terms of gameplay. The Pixel 6a, if it uses a tensor chip, will certainly blow the A53 out of the water. There's also the AI and machine learning power of Tensor, which lets the Pixel 6 do some incredible stuff. With Tensor, the Pixel 6a could run laps around the Galaxy A53 in this area. The Galaxy A53 isn't the first budget-friendly handset to offer a high refresh rate display, but it's certainly the best. With Samsung's AMOLED technology, the A53 screen is definitely a step above the rest, even the Pixel. However, if the Pixel 6a does get a 90Hz or 120Hz display, that puts even more pressure on Google to make the battery last longer, as high refresh rates consume more power than static 60Hz screens. This might be the easiest spot for the Pixel 6a to beat out the Galaxy A53, because the Pixel 5a already does, in my opinion. While the A53's cameras are good, the Pixel 5a won in testing. So the 6a only needs to do as well as its predecessor to get this point. Current rumors say the Pixel 6a will get a 12MP main camera, joined by a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and 8MP selfie cam. We already know that the Pixel 6a will launch with Android 12 and all of its goodness. The Galaxy A53 also sports the latest version of Android, but Samsung has one-upped Google in one key area. The Galaxy A53 will see 4 years of platform updates, and 5 years of security patches. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro also will see 5 years of patches, but Google has only committed to 3 years of Android updates. If the Pixel 6a doesn't feature at least 4 years of platform updates, it will be sorely disappointed. I hope that the Pixel 6a doesn't suffer from the same availability issues as the Pixel 5a, which was limited to just the US and Japan. If the upcoming Google phone hits the UK and the rest of Asia, it stands a much better chance of success. What do you think about these mobiles? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.